working in construction because every day it's a challenge. There's a lot of pressure to get the job built, and it's always something that keeps me moving. And it's also you get a good sense of personal accomplishment when you watch the project go from design to construction to ultimately the finished product where it's being in use, and you're watching traffic and everyone go through it and seeing everything come together and functioning the way it's supposed to be functioning. I really enjoy working with Community Asphalt just because of the solid team that we have, from the upper management level down to the field engineers and the superintendents and the field guys. Just the level of commitment and dedication that we all put into the job is what makes our job much easier and gratifying to be out here constructing one of the largest projects in South Florida.
One innovative thing that we're doing on this project is we're generating all the site embankment on site. We have a quarry behind us. As you can see, we're excavating material in close proximity to the job site, making it fast and efficient delivery in place. It's just the innovation, the dynamic processes involved, make it a challenging environment to try to make a more cost-effective, time-effective, efficient operation overall.
I've worked with Community Asphalt for over 10 years now. I enjoy the challenges every day that we have, and I wouldn't trade it for the world. As you can see out there, we have a manual 4600 that takes approximately 60 feet deep, digging lime rock material, which we crush and use for embankment fill and base rock on all our projects. This gives us a distinct advantage over our competitors, where we have the material where they have to purchase the material.
Working community, the people is great there. There's a lot of experienced people there. You get to learn a lot. There's always someone who can help you when you need any kind of advice on when you have to make a decision or do something on the field. It's a great environment.
Proud to be a part of this. It's OHL is a great company, and I couldn't be more pleased with the company itself. It's a wonderful place to work. People in the corporate office are very, very nice and have always been cooperative. We have great safety crews. We have great safety people. My position affords me the ability to give my guys the proper training, as well as proper tools to do the job. We provide them with their safety, and we insist on steel-toe shoes, and that's all a part of the safety program.
It's always safety the number one priority. We want to keep the men and women of this company going home the same way that they came in, healthy, safe and sound. So maybe they're more tired after a hard day's work, but we want them to be the best that they can be and continue being productive for this company.